Right, your Gmail's stopped bringing in new mail. Either nothing's arriving at all or you're getting that account not synced message sitting at the top of your inbox. 9 times out of 10, this isn't your phone breaking. It's one of 2 switches that have got themselves turned off, and there's a third cause that catches a lot of people out that nobody ever checks. I'm going to go through them in the order Google themselves recommend, so you're not poking about at random. Before anything else, 5 quick ones. Google puts these first for a reason, and one of them fixes it more often than you'd think. Pull down on your inbox to force a refresh sounds daft, but that's Google's own step 1. Then check the Play Store for a Gmail update. Then restart the phone properly, off and back on. And check you're actually on Wi-Fi or data. If you've come off a dodgy hotel Wi-Fi and your phone's still clinging to it, Gmail will sit there doing nothing. And one more thing that catches people out. If battery saver's switched on, it can stop Gmail syncing in the background. Turn it off and see if that's all it was. If none of that shifts it, now we get into the real causes. Right, this is the bit that fixes most people, and the reason it's confusing is that there are 2 separate sync switches in 2 completely different places. Turning one on doesn't turn the other on. First one lives inside Gmail itself. Open Gmail, tap the menu, tap Settings, tap your account, and under Data Usage, make sure the box next to Sync Gmail is ticked. That's the one that controls whether Gmail bothers fetching your mail at all. The second one is your phone's own account sync, and it sits somewhere you'd never guess. Go to Settings, tap About Phone, tap Google Account, tap Account Sync, then tap the 3 dots and tap Sync Now. I know About Phone is a strange place for it, and that's exactly why people miss it. So check both. If either one's off, Gmail stops, and turning on just the one you found first won't fix it. Now, the one that catches people out, and there's actually 2 versions of it. If your Google account storage is full, Gmail can't send or receive at all, and messages sent to you get returned to the sender. That's the important bit. They don't queue up waiting for you, they bounce, and your 15 gigabytes is shared across Gmail, Google Photos, and Google Drive. So it's usually photos that filled it, not email. Go to one.google.com and it'll show you what's using it. The second version is your phone's own storage. If the phone's nearly full, Gmail just quietly stops syncing. Free up a bit of space and it starts again. If you are still stuck, there's 2 buttons on the one screen here, and it matters which one you press. Go to Settings, tap Apps, tap See All Apps, tap Gmail, then tap Storage and Cache. Tap Clear Cache first, because that's the safe one. Clear Cache just dumps temporary files. Nothing of yours goes. Try that, reopen Gmail, and a fair few of you will be sorted right there. If it's still stuck, then and only then the button underneath it. Clear storage is the last resort. Your emails are safe on Google servers, but it erases your drafts, your signature, and your settings, and you'll have to sign back in. So, cache first, storage last, and even if that doesn't do it, it might not be you at all. Search for the Google Workspace status dashboard and check there isn't an outage. So, quick recap: refresh, update, restart. Check your connection, then the 2 sync switches, one in Gmail and one in About Phone. Then your storage, both kinds, then cache, and only then clear storage. If it was the storage one for you, go and have a look at your photos. That's nearly always what did it. Right, that's it. Mind yourself.